Hello everyone, my name is Daisy Kunvi. I'm from Autonomous Region of Bougainville from a small village of Sisiki in Haku LLG. I am currently taking up STEM in grade 11 here in Passam National School of Excellence in Sepik Province. Currently in STEM chemistry, we are on medicinal plant. And the plant that I'll be talking about is noni, which its common name is still noni. Its scientific name is Moringa critofolia and is known as warora in our local language. This plant has been used since in the past and it's still used today in Bougainvillean societies as our local medicinal plant. Noni plant is used for many reasons when it comes to medicinal uses. Traditionally, people in my province they have used the noni roots, leaves, and its fruits for medicine, especially the place where are so remote in town areas where they cannot afford to buy modern medicines. Firstly, I am gonna talk about its roots. Noni roots are used as medicines to treat ailments like joint pains, infections, and fevers. The other thing is, the noni roots can also be boiled in water for about 1 hour to treat various conditions, including when you have malaria, fever, people with hypertension, which is blood pressure and pain can also use the noni roots that are boiled in water for as their medicine. And also the roots can be crushed and then fermented under the sun to add in food for healthy and tasteful meal. In many parts of Bougainville, it is used for treating malaria, fever, pain and inflammation, skin infection and sores, especially when you have boils, rashes, and ulcers, which are sores that are very big because it contains antibacterial properties. Now, secondly, coming to its leaves. Noni leaves are used to treat wound for healing and infections. The fresh, clean leaves are collected and slightly warmed over the fire for around 30 minutes and applied it directly to the wound if you have sores and swallowing. And also, the warm leaves are also tied around the knee joint pain called pineal in our local vernacular, and pineal is known as arthritis in English, which when you have this, you can warm the leaves on the fire and then tie it around your knee. And also, you can use noni leaves for sprain, strains, and muscle aches if you have them. Another thing is when you have itchy skins and burns in your body, you can also use the noni leaves to warm it over the fire and then apply it on the place where it's itchy and the burns that are on your bodies. You can place the leaves onto that particular area so that it can ease your pain and itchiness. You can also boil the leaves and drink the water of it, which it relieves symptoms of coughs, colds, and flu if you have them. Now, coming to the most and the final part of the plant, the fruit of it. Noni fruit is commonly used everywhere around Papua New Guinea. Noni fruit is mostly used for pain relieveness, for treating digestive disorder like when you have diarrhea and constipation. Noni fruit is also used to lower blood pressure and healing skin infection for wound. The crushed fruit of noni is used as painkiller in the body. In generally, the noni fruit juice is consumed to boost your immunity and break fevers. An extract of the ripe fruit is sometimes used to treat sore throat when you have sore throat or when you feel like you'll be having the sore throat. You can use the noni fruit, the juice of it, to drink, and you can cure yourself with it. In community level, noni is used directly as I've already mentioned above. But as technology increased, scientists has took noni and tested it and found out that noni is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidant and can help modulate the immune system. In medicine, after testing it out, scientists found out that using noni can support human claims and noni cure major diseases. Therefore, taking noni is a very big help in human lives. Instead of taking paracetamol and amoxicillin and all other sorts of medicines that are manufactured with all sorts of chemicals, you can boil noni leaves and fruits for each vitamins to take in as your medicine. So I think the knowledge of preparing noni fruit have to be passed down from elders to the young children, because with this knowledge we can still create our own medicine instead of buying and using modern medicine with lots of chemical in it.